AnswersAnywhere is a really unique solution from the standpoint that it's not just a piece of software that we sell to you, it's actually a service that blends people, process, and technology. And why that's important is because corporations, even large corporations, very rarely have people that are completely dedicated to knowledge management. And in order to create a knowledge base and then to keep it updated, that's what it takes, is a dedicated team. So as a result of that, we've taken a service approach and said that we're going to have these people, process, and technology in order to create a knowledge base for your corporation. And then in addition to that, we're going to keep it updated as time goes on. We also have our own application so that we can deliver it to an Android device, an iOS device, browsers, or even a Windows application. So I'm going to show you a demo of this, and this is an ultrasound equipment demo for a ultrasound company. And it's really interesting because the whole idea is to make it as easy as possible for the field service technician to get access to the information that he needs. So we want to put everything into one place, one application, so he doesn't have to go from website to website or from Dropbox to internal places to find information. We're giving it all to him in one place. So the first thing we're going to take a look at are installation instructions. Now this started life as a PDF, this installation instructions. What's really great about it that we've added intelligence into the PDF and made it much more usable, so that rather than just handing over a 200, 400, 600 page PDF to the field service technician and saying have at it, we've given him a chapter by chapter linkages here, so that if he's looking for the specifications for this particular piece of ultrasound equipment, all he has to do is tap specifications and we take him right to that. And as you can see, as we scroll through this, there are a number of places where we've added intelligence into this. So for example, if he's working on a particular part, he's installing a particular part, we ask the question of the field service technician, what's the next most likely place you're going to want to go in the installation instructions? And we provide a link that is added into the original PDF, so again, that it's easy to use. Now in addition to that, we also have parts lists, and this is really useful for field service technicians, because they're always looking for parts. So we start with an exploded diagram and we blend it with parts information that usually is coming out of a relational database or an Excel spreadsheet. So again, the field service technician has the opportunity to find a part, and I'm just going to tap on that part number, and down here below, that part will highlight. So when I tap on the part, I'm presented with a graphical representation of the part. I'm also told what the status of that part is, whether it's available, not available, discontinued, whatever it might be. That part can be added to a pick list, or if you are using ServiceMax or ServiceNow or Click software, we've integrated with each of those field service management systems so that we can drop that part right into one of their work orders. So people ask us all the time, how do you do this? How do you integrate with our corporation in order to be able to get all of the source information that's required? And that's where the discovery workshop comes in. We start with an engagement that is really a 1 to 3 day consulting engagement where we meet with your various people at your company, and your responsibility is really to identify the key context in each of the silos within your organization that have the source data, and then from there we're going to establish working relationships with those people. Your responsibility is customer oversight. So you're guiding us as we go through the process of developing the taxonomy for the knowledge base, and then you're going to approve it to make sure that we are conforming to your policies and procedures related to how you want your field service people to solve problems when they're in the field. And with the discovery workshop and then the whole 3-year contract, we're doing about 90% of the work in most cases. There are some customers of ours that want to have access to our content management system so they can do updates of their own, and that's completely acceptable to us. We can give you access to our content management system, and then it's a combination of our organization, our knowledge experts making updates, and then your people making updates too. Now what's really great about this is about 50,000 field service technicians use our platform every month in order to gain access to information. We have customers, for example, that we update their iPads and their Android tablets or their Android phones or iPhones. We update, for one particular customer, about 8,000 field service technicians every night with a Delta update of knowledge.